Our question is, hydrogen is obtained by electrolysis of acidified water. Answer the following pertaining to the preparation of hydrogen by electrolysis. If you have any doubt regarding this electrolysis process, please watch my video based on electrolysis of acidified water. Our first question is the meaning of term electrolysis and electrolyte. First of all, electrolysis is a process, and electrolyte is a solution of ions or a chemical compound which will pass and which will carry the electricity in process of electrolysis. So these two things are completely different. Let us understand what is the process of electrolysis. So electrolysis is the process of decomposition of chemical compound. Now what is the meaning of decomposition? With the help of chemical reaction, when we are breaking any compound, for example NaOH is there, then we are breaking it, for example Na plus, and we will get OH minus, or we will get HCl. So when we will break this, H plus plus Cl minus. So this chemical decomposition when we are doing with the help of electricity. In a fused means it is a molten state. When we are adding some drops of water into a chemical substance, that will be its molten state or fused state. Paste like form is known as fused. Or solution. Solution, we know that this compounds we will dissolve it into the water. So that will make a solution of this compound. By passage of electricity and will result in dissociation of chemical compounds into ions. So these are the chemical compounds, and these are the dissociation form of chemical compounds, and they are in the form of ions when they are bearing the charge. So they are ions, and this happens via passage of electricity. So this ion will discharge. Now once this ion will be separated into the solution, they will go to respective electrodes and there they will get discharge. Meaning of discharge, dis and charge, they are removing their charge. Whatever charge they are possessing in their ion state, they are removing their charge, and Na plus will become Na metal, sodium metal, and H plus will become hydrogen gas. It will converting into its molecular state. So they are discharging, they are removing their charge at their respective electrodes. So this whole process is known as electrolysis. Chemical compound we are taking, those chemical compound will dissociate, they are forming ions, then they are going to respective electrodes, and then they are getting discharge. This happens with the help of electricity. So this process is known as electrolysis. Electrolyte. Now electrolyte is a chemical compound which is in molten or solution state. Again, molten means paste like structure, and solution means chemical compound along with the water. When chemical compound will dissolve in the water, it will come in its solution state. Can conduct electricity and undergo chemical decomposition. As I have shown you earlier, HCl will decompose into H plus and Cl minus. And this happens via chemical reaction. So it is chemical decomposition due to passage of electricity. Now this chemical reaction will not happen by itself. Once we are passing the electricity, this chemical compound will get decomposed into its ions. So this is an electrolyte. Question B. Name the electrode through which the current enters the electrolyte. Now current enters from the positive electrode, so it is anode. Current direction is always from positive to negative, and then the circuit will be completed, and current leaves at cathode, and cathode is our negative electrode. Now hydrogen will be liberated at cathode. As we can see it into the figure, hydrogen gas will be liberated at cathode. Now why is it so? Because hydrogen is positive element. It will get attracted towards the negative electrode. Our negative electrode is cathode. So H plus is not stable, so it will get converted into its molecular form. Once it will get discharged, so hydrogen-hydrogen bond will form and we will get hydrogen gas at cathode electrode.